Hey everyone, this is Gary Walton with the Northern Lights Motorcycle Club in Brainerd, Minnesota. I'm out doing some riding here this morning and I want to take a few minutes to tell you about our club and about some of the cool things we have going on this summer. Our club was founded in 1960. It's over 50 years old. We currently have between 25 and 30 active members, and we do a couple of things in the area. We host a couple of events, a hare scramble and an enduro, and we also maintain this local riding area in Brainerd. It's a county-owned spot that is designated off-highway motorcycle use, and we've got about 12 miles of single track here that the club manages and maintains. The length of trail, we're always trying to develop new trail, but it varies year to year. It seems like every couple of years they come through and log out a couple of miles, but it grows back fast and we're able to regenerate trail pretty quick. One of the cool things we're going to do this summer is put together a DVD that we can hand out free of charge to all the riders who take part in our two events. Both the district and the club are quite active in off-road racing. I think we had over 350 entries at the first hare scrambles of the season. Second weekend, almost the same number. And now we're on a bit of a break before the first enduro takes place here in a couple of weeks. So what we'd like to do with this DVD is document sort of the history of our club, as well as some of the top off-road riders in the district. And then also just include a lot of footage from our hare scramble and our enduro so that everybody that does take part gets to see themselves on the big screen, as it were. One of the things I'd like to do is appeal to as many people in the industry as possible. We need your support to help fund this DVD project as well as distribute it. In addition to the racers, we'd like to get it in area schools, AV centers, and promote off-road racing in general. The district and the club are active members. They're supporters of your product, and I'm hoping we can work together to do some good for each other.